Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we build a task manager app. So our basic project setup is ready. Now let's get started. First of all, I change the body color. So background should be background color should be tail. Let's change now. First here I create a component name task list dot view. So first of all I import here, import for using, so task list first of all I check it's working or not. Vue.js 3 setup, do here h1 hello world. Let's see, check it. Yes, it's working, all is done. So now we move on our project. Here I need class. First of all I need container mx auto margin top 20, background should be white, width should be 90%, but after lg it's took width should be 50%. One more thing, padding should be 6. Yes, I need here shadow md, color shadow should be tail 700. Yes, it's looking better. So I think we check its width and height. Yes, it's perfectly done. Here one thing I need, h1 tag task manager, class text should be 3xl, text center, font extra bold. Yes, here I need one input and also here button for when I click here, so our task is add. Input type text, placeholder, add a new task. Yes, so flex justify center, atom center, gap should be 10. Here I need button, background I think till 700, add task. Yes, so padding top bottom should be 2 and left and right 6. Good. So here margin top and bottom should be 6. I think it's great, but here I need text white, text md, also media, but when over on it, so background should be 500, but transition all and duration should be 500. Now you see it's look great. Out input field, here I give class should be outline should be none, and border b2, I mean border bottom, yes, but border till 700, but when I focus on it, I want its background, I mean border color should be changed, so focusing on it, so border should be border be cyan 500, where now you see, yes, but I give here a duration 300 and also transition off. It's look better. So now we working on the here add task, here import ref from Vue, also I use this, so const tasks ref should be array, now array is empty, so sorry, it's basically not right here, I write here in our app.view, so here import ref ref from Vue, now I use it const task should be ref this array, so I send the props here, tasks should be tasks, so now I here also import ref, so here new task should be now empty, so here I update the new task value, so here I use v model new task, yes, new tasks, I need a function const add task if new task dot value should be not empty, so here I write one more thing, here I need define props so const props should be define props tasks, so here I gonna say props dot tasks dot push new tasks dot value. Now we check it, add task, click add task, but one more thing I need, key up dot enter. So here I say add task. It's not add because here I need UL tag and also li. Here I need v for loop, so I say task and also index in tasks. Basically it's tasks, which are we accept the props from other components app.view. So here I show here one more thing I need key, so index. Yes, here I show the task, you see, but where is flex, also flex call. Flex call justify center item center. Now it's looking good. If I add why because I write in this div, so yes, now it's, but here I need button. I copy from here and I did paste it here. So remove task, remove here I give the class flex. I think I do not need this. Yes, so where is our li type? Flex px should be 6. It's great. And justify between but one more thing here, need margin top bottom should 3. Yes, I think it's great. But when I click on the remove button, it's not removed. So here I write a function for remove these tasks from the DOM. So remove task here. Also when I add this, so the value also present here, it's not removed when I add the task. So here one more thing I need, I say new task dot value should be empty. Now you see when I write and click here add task, it's remove here after adding. So now const remove task, here I need index, also here I need index. So props dot tasks dot supplies index this. Now if I allow press enter, it's add allow. Now I click here, it's remove. Yes, it's perfectly done. It's also working. I view developers, I click, when I press the enter key, it's adding here, but I think I change the color, text md, font md, and text cyan, text tail 500. Yes, it's looking good, but items center, now it is in centering. Welcome beginners, yes, enjoy coding with code with Ahmed. Yes, now see, we are create this in just in few minutes task manager app. So I hope you learn from this video. It's little bit effort from me for the beginners. Thank you for watching this video.